It is one of the devices that is entering with more force in our homes is the cleaning robot or intelligent robot. A typology that is also evolving significantly by acquiring functions that facilitate its use and that even dare to compete with the smartphone when allowing control of these robots. We are talking, that is clear, a voice control that allows us to execute actions only through verbal commands. For this the new teams are compatible with personal assistants, see, Google Assistant or Alexa above all, and in reference to the latter we will talk. The reason is the latest ECOVACS robot, the DEEBOT N79S, a model has voice control thanks to the support of Alexa, Amazon's virtual assistant. Thanks to voice control, the DEEBOT N79S facilitates the cleaning of the home. For this, the user must only dictate the order so that it begins to work. We can thus ask you to return to the loading base, start cleaning or stop, to name just 3 examples. It will be necessary just to say Alexa, ask DEEBOT to stop or, Alexa, ask DEEBOT to continue cleaning, yes, always in perfect English, because Alexa is not compatible with Spanish at the moment. Regarding the cleaning functions of the DEEBOT N79S, the robot includes sensors that detect stairs to avoid danger, but we do not know if it offers the option of creating a map of the area to be cleaned or of establishing invisible walls. With regard to pure and hard cleaning, includes 4 modes, max mode, auto, edges and cleaning point.